drafted him, how he was injury prone.
Yeah.
And it seems to be that that's kind of pushed a little bit to the wayside. But they got this guy, Toby Gerhart.
Oh, yeah, from Stanford.
From Stanford. And boy, was I excited when I saw this guy in college. And I said, man, I can't wait for him to get on a team where he has an opportunity to do this. And then the Vikings drafted him.
Yeah.
And
totally out of position there.
Oh, it's really tough. And so they're going to use him the same way they use Chester Taylor, except for he has a different skill set than Chester Taylor, is that he's going to run you over.
Right.
And I want to see what he looks like in a preseason against NFL talent, because he could be the guy. They want to save Adrian Peterson for the fourth quarter. They say, well, no, we want to get up, and for 3 quarters we want Adrian Peterson, and then I'm going to give the ball to Toby Gerhart in the fourth quarter, let him play mop-up duty, so I have Adrian Peterson healthy for next week. And so that's the only downside I would say with Adrian Peterson, is that his ceiling may not be as high as you would want it to be because of that fact, because they got Toby Gerhart to do this for you. They also like this kid, Albert Young, last year. He's the other backup, and but he doesn't have the same skills as Gerhart. It'll be interesting to see how they use them together if Adrian Peterson does go down, God forbid. But Gerhart is a handcuff, and Young is off the waiver wire.
Okay, we have another call. The number here is 877-242-8212. We have David in Cincinnati, who is a huge 32 Teams, the real fantasy football fan, calling in with a question regarding Adrian Peterson. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's right. Hi, gentlemen. How are you?
Excellent. How are you tonight?
Good. I got a question for you about Adrian. I feel like he's due for a bad year. And you guys really, you talk a lot about facts, numbers, and the way players have played in the past, and what you project for the future. What's your advice on hunches? I just got this feeling that Peterson's just not going to have a great year. And you guys don't really talk about hunches and instinct too much. It seems like it's a lot of facts. What do you say?
Well, are you drafting with the first 3 picks in your draft?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm thinking about it, yeah.
Okay, so what pick do you have, first, second, or third?
Second.
All right, you have the second pick. So you may not have the choice to take Adrian Peterson or not. He may be off the board by the time you get there. I would say if you have the second pick, you're looking at 4 different players, okay? And you're looking at running backs. All of them are running backs. You're looking at Chris Johnson. You're looking at Adrian Peterson. You're looking at Maurice Jones-Drew. And you're looking at Ray Rice, okay?
Yeah.
And here's
you want to minimize risk.
Right, but here's what you're saying about hunches is that if Adrian Peterson has a bad year, it's because of other players not performing as well. If your hunch is correct, it's I got a 59-year-old quarterback, right? I don't know the receivers I really have, and everybody knows how good Adrian Peterson is, so why not this year everybody just stop Adrian Peterson? Is that what your hunch is telling you?
No, not so much that he's surrounded by these kinds of players, but more about I feel like I'm going to call you guys in October, and I'm going to be upset because I picked Peterson, and Peterson didn't pull through. I just got this feeling. It's one of those sophomore slumps. I know he's been around for a few years, but
I say trust your gut.
Absolutely. Well, you know what my gut tells me about Chris Johnson? I think that this holdout is a horrible idea. And my gut tells me stay away from that guy.
I am.
You know what I mean? And if your gut tells you, hey, Adrian Peterson, I think he's going to have a bad year, then guess what? Then you're looking at Maurice Jones-Drew or Ray Rice, and with the number 2 overall pick, how could you go wrong with that?
And David, speaking of guts, because you called about hunches and everything, we want to show you some of the products that are going to be launching for the 32 Team show. And David, and when you get off the air, get us your mailing address, and we'll send you a mug, something so that you can be a true member.
Cool.
32 Teams, the real fantasy football show. If you're watching us live on chatabout.com, I believe the mug is coming up right now. And
I can see it.
Oh, yeah. Wonderful. So we have, Heath, we have some product placement. David, thank you again for the call. Trust your gut. I don't like Chris Johnson, but I do love Adrian Peterson, so I'm trusting my gut, too.
Remember, this is your draft. This isn't my draft.
Well, yeah. No,
if you don't like the guy, don't draft him.
I look to you guys for some clean advice, and I just got to go with my gut. So hopefully when I call you late October, early November, I can say, hey.
Well, you could back up your gut.